Bonjour à tous. Today I'm here again to explain new topic in French, and it is les quatre formes d'un phrase. That is four forms of a sentence. Here today I am going to teach you how to write a sentence in four forms in French. That is affirmative form, negative form, interrogative form, and negative interrogative form. So let's start. Here, if you can see rules how to convert a sentence in each and every form. First one, if you can see l'affirmative, that is affirmative sentence. So simple it is a sentence in a positive manner, that is je parle français. Je parle français. I speak French and I am speaking French. Earlier also I told you very clearly that we don't have any present continuous tense in French. Only we have to conjugate the verb in present tense, le présent de l'indicatif, and we will get this present continuous tense also, as well as present simple present tense also. Affirmative sentence, simple l'affirmatif, that is je parle français. This is first form. Now second one will be la négatif. La négatif. Simple negative form. To make a sentence negative, always put the conjugated verb between na and pa. Once again, to change an affirmative sentence to negative form, what you have to do, you have to first find out the conjugated verb, not the full verb, the conjugated verb, and then you have to put that verb between na and pa. Like here in example, you can see, je ne parle pas français. I don't speak French. This parle is conjugated verb. So I put it between ne and pas. Je ne parle pas français. I don't speak. Affirmative is je parle français. Negative is je ne parle pas français. Now note, just pay attention to this. UN, UNE, DES. It means indefinite articles. And all partitive articles, that is DU, DALA, DES, DEL apostrophe, will change to DE in all negative forms except C apostrophe EST and SUSO forms. It means whenever there will be C apostrophe EST or SUSO in a sentence, no need to make any changes. These words, that is indefinite articles UN, UNE, DES, and all partitive articles will remain the same. But whenever there will be any other subject pronoun or noun, these words will change to DE in all negative forms. DE will change to D apostrophe if there will be a vowel. The same way NE, if verb will start with a vowel, NE will change to N apostrophe. And the same way DE will change to D apostrophe if vowel will be there after it. In example, you can see, je n'ai pas d'argent. I don't have any money. I don't have money. I don't have any money. Ce n'est pas un livre. This is not a book. Here you can see, indefinite article will remain the same. It will not change to DE because C apostrophe EST is there. C apostrophe EST is there. Je n'ai pas. This is conjugated verb. Conjugation of a voir verb, which means to have. This is conjugated verb. Conjugation of être verb, irregular verb. N, because vowel is there, NE will change to N apostrophe here also, here also. Now, let's talk about l'interrogatif. See, l'interrogatif, interrogative form. To make a sentence interrogative, always put the conjugated verb before the subject pronoun and join them with a hyphen. Hyphen like this, small dash. Simple, parles-tu français? Do you speak French? This is conjugated verb, conjugation of parler verb, which means to speak. This is subject pronoun. We have to make a sentence interrogative. What we have to do? We have to put this conjugated verb before this subject pronoun. Parles-tu français? Do you speak French? Here also, if you will see to this note, if a conjugated verb is not ending with the T or D, like here, parle. If the conjugated verb is not ending with the T or D in IL and ELL forms, that is third person singular form. You have to put extra T between the conjugated verb and the subject pronoun. Once again, I am just explaining. If the conjugated verb is not ending with the T or D in IL and ELLE forms, what you have to do, you have to, while conjugating, you have to put extra T between the conjugated verb and the subject pronoun. Parle-t-il français? Parle-t-il français? Doesn't he speak French? Parle-t-il? Just pay attention here. Parle-t-il? Again, if there is a proper noun in the beginning of a sentence like this, Manuel, what you have to do? First, repeat that noun, like here, Manuel, and then just find out the corresponding subject pronoun of that noun. Manuel, like if you are going to say, Manuel, does he speak French? Manuel, that is, he, simple, he is there. Manuel, and the corresponding subject pronoun of Manuel will be il. Manuel, and now what you have to do, you have to just invert this conjugated verb and subject pronoun. You have to put conjugated verb before the subject pronoun to Manuel. First, you have to repeat that noun, proper noun, and then parle-t-il français? Manuel, parle-t-il français? Manuel, does he speak French? Like this, you can convert a sentence to interrogative form. Now, D1 is l'interrogative negative, negative interrogative form. Like if we want to say, doesn't he speak French? Doesn't he speak French? What you have to do? Simple. To make a sentence negative interrogative, always put the conjugated verb and the subject pronoun between ne and pa. Both the conjugated verb, this form. Parle-t-il, parle-t-il. This form you have to put between ne and pa. Ne parles-tu pas français? You have to put the conjugated verb and the subject pronoun together between ne and pa. Ne parles-tu pas français? Don't you speak French? Ne parles-tu? If you are going to convert a sentence to interrogative form, simple, you have to write down like this. Parle-t-il français? If you want to convert this parle-t-il français to negative interrogative form, you have to put parle-t-il between ne and pa. Ne parle-t-il pas français? Same like this. Ne parles-tu pas français? This is negative interrogative form. Here, if you can see, to answer a negative interrogative question, if suppose someone is asking you, don't you speak French? And you want to say, yes, I speak French. For yes, we use this word si. Si, si. Once again, I am telling you, si is used for English word yes to answer a negative interrogative question. Suppose, again, I am telling you, if someone will ask you, don't you speak French? And you want to say, yes, of course I speak French. You have to use, for yes, you have to use si. Si. So, si je parle français. Yes, I speak French. To answer a negative interrogative question, we use si for English word yes. And now if you can see exercise here, simple exercise, je ne mange pas de fruits. This is negative sentence, and if we want to change this sentence to affirmative form, just we will remove ne and pa. It will be je mange and de. This is participial article. Plural is there, so it will change to des. Je mange des fruits. Like here also, if you can see, il n'y a pas d'œufs sur la table. There are no eggs on the table. And we want to, if you want to convert this sentence to affirmative form, you just have to remove this n apostrophe and pa and d, because this is plural. It will change to, this is participial article. It will change to des. Il y a, I-L-Y-A, il y a des œufs, des œufs sur la table. Sur la table. Then, if here you can see, mettez les phrases à l'interrogatif. You have to convert these sentences to interrogative form. Elle a 15 ans. She is 15 years old. Now, what you have to do, you have to invert this subject pronoun and this conjugated verb. Conjugate, this is L form. I already told you, this is L form. Now, we are going to invert it. A will come here, and this verb is not, conjugated verb is not ending with T. What we have to do to make it interrogative, we have to put extra T between the conjugated verb and the subject pronoun. So like here you can see, if you will write a dash T, dash E-double-L-E. A-t-elle 15 ans? And then don't forget to put question mark also. Ce sont des livres. While converting this sentence to interrogative form, ce sont, we cannot write sont ce. We have to add est, est dash ce and then que est, and then same sentence. Ce sont des livres est, ce sont des livres. Like this only you can find out answers of other three sentences also. So this is this is exercise. Now I'm going to tell you another one also. Mettez les phrases au négatif. Simply you have to convert these sentences in negative forms. So what you have to negative form, what you have to do, you have to find out the verb, conjugated verb, and then you have to put it between ne and pas. Il y a des oiseaux sur l'arbre. Il naya, n apostrophe ya. Il naya pas. DES will change to DE. Vowel is there. DE will change to D apostrophe. D'oiseaux sur l'arbre. Il naya pas d'oiseaux sur l'arbre. The same way, il a un bon livre. He has a good book. Verb, conjugated verb is a. It will come between na and pa. Vowel is there. Na will change to automatically n apostrophe il, n apostrophe a. Il n'a pas. Un will change to de. The bon livre. The same way, c'est une Italian. This is an Italian girl or woman. Est is a verb. It will come between ne and pa. Ce, n apostrophe est, ps pa. UNA will remain the same because C apostrophe est is there. When Italian, certain grande ville, this is a big city. Again, C is sir, N apostrophe est ne, then PS pa. When again will remain the same. When grande ville, then nous allons à Paris. Paris, Paris also. So nous allons à Paris. Allons is conjugated verb, conjugation of aller verb. Nous n'allons, n apostrophe, n'allons pas à Paris, Paris. So these are four forms how to convert a sentence to negative form, interrogative form, and negative interrogative form, or you can just convert an interrogative or negative interrogative form to affirmative form also. So these are the rules. You will get exercise also or related to these all these four forms. Again, as always, if you like the video, do like it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And last but not the least, merci, bonne journée et au revoir.